Now let's have a look some basic configurations with our switches. How to navigate to switch, how to configure the switch, how to go to different mode. So at first, let's have a look some basic configuration options or navigations as well. So in this packet tracer, once you install, we have some options in here. We have selections mode, search options. This is if you'd like to remove any text or line, you can use this one. You can use this one to write down some notes. And there are some other symbols we have in here. If we go down, we have routers and router switch network devices. If you click on these network devices, we can see routers. We have many different kind of routers. We click on switch. We have many different models of switch. Then this one, hubs, this one, wireless device. We have many different wireless devices. This one, Cisco firewall, and many other stuffs we have under this network devices. Now, after that, if we click on end devices, we can see many different devices: PC, laptop, servers, and phones. We got many other devices in here. And then another important tab we have, this is cable. Right? This cable we have, if you put the mouse top of the cable on the bottom line in here, we'll be able to see the cable types. So this is called automatic cable. Automatic means when you try to connect any device, we can choose these automatic options. It will help us to do the connectivity automatically. Then you have a console cable. This is another kind of cable we have. We have straight through cable, right? We have crossover cable, fiber cable, and we have serial phone cable, coaxial cable, and many other cable types. So how to log in? Let's say if I click on my network devices, and then we have many different routers in here. I'll pick up one of the routers, or I'll actually go to switch. We can see some switch in here. So grab one of the switch, and after that, we go to our PCs. We drag and put one of the PCs in here. Drag another PC over there. After that, we can connect. See, I go to these cable types, and also I select this automatic cable. Automatic cable help us to do the correct connectivity. So I click in here, and then one click in the PC, another click in the switch. I click in here, then one click in the PC, another click in the switch. In this way, I can connect with my switch. So this is actually the Ethernet cable. In this way, I am connected with my switch. After that, let's say if it is a brand new switch, right? If it is a new switch, then how to connect to new switch? We need a console cable. So I'll click on console cable, one click in my switch, one click in my PC, and PC I'm going to choose RS232, this interface. Then I go to my switch. Switch, there's a console port. See, switch has console port, and in my PC, I have connected to that RS232 port. That is kind of serial port. So now my PC, it's connected with switch with console cable. So why we need console cable? If we have brand new switch, then we need console cable. Console cable, we do not need any IP address. With console cable, we'll be able to access our switch. Let's have a look how to access. Now I click on my PC. I'll go to desktop. And desktop, we have many things: IP configurations, terminal, command prompt, and many other things. But in this lab, we're going to choose terminal. Terminal is kind of console connections. And I can click OK, but we can see also there are some bit values in here. We do not need to make any changes. Leave it default and click OK. When I click OK, I'm actually in my PC, right? From my PC, and if I hit enter, I can see switch 1. Switch and then arrow sign. So this is called user mode. User mode, you can run some show command. I can say show run. I cannot run show run, so it doesn't support. So user mode, you can't do much steps, but we can go to enable mode and then we can apply some command as well. So how to go to enable mode? We can say enable. We type enable and hit enter. When you hit enter, see this arrow sign, it's turned to hash. So that means we are in now enable mode. And enable mode, we can apply some command. For example, we can run some show command, such as we can say show running configurations. See, I'm saying show run, and after that tab. From the keyboard, I'm pressing tab. If I press tab, then it's actually fill up all the informations. And say it and hit enter. Okay, so I have said show running dash config and hit enter. It is actually providing me some informations. And then there's a more button. We need to press space bar from the keyboard. Then we can go down, go down, go down. All the way we go down. So this, let's have a look this one. So I've applied this show running config command, and now we can see all the running means all current configurations, whatever we have inside the switch. So if we go down, we'll be able to see that host name, we have some interface, fast Ethernet 01, 02, 03. We have all the way, if we go down, we have up to 24 interfaces. And after that, we can see there are 2 extra interfaces, which is gigabit Ethernet 01 and gigabit Ethernet 02. After that, we have some VLAN informations, but no IP address, is in shutdown mode. And line console 0, this is the console connections. Line VTI 0, this is the telnet or SSH line. Line means telnet and SSH line. We can connect via telnet and SSH in here. So pretty much, this is the informations we have inside the switch. We haven't done any configurations. It just, we are looking at what we have inside the switch. After that, let's say if I want to do some configurations, I can say configure terminal and hit enter. See, I'm in config mode now. I'm in now config mode. Then if I want to go to interface mode, then I need to say interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Now see, I'm in interface mode, config dash interface. I'll exit from here. I want to go to, let's say, VLAN mode. I want to do some VLAN configurations. I can say interface VLAN 1 and hit enter. See, I'm in now VLAN interface. Then I can exit. I can type exit again. It will take me back all the way to my enable mode. So how to browse this one? We can go to config mode. We can make a shortcut, say config T. In this way, we can go to configuration mode and you can do some configurations over there. And also, if you'd like to go out from that mode, we can say exit. It will take us back to that initial, this is enable mode. And if you exit, if you type exit again, it will take us back all the way to that user mode. So currently we are in user mode. We can type shortcut enable and we can go to enable mode. We can go to config T and we can go to config mode. So that's how we can browse around inside the switch, and similar things we can do for the routers as well.